69.
Snowboarder right.
Coming in from Squaw Big Mountain team, Ava Cienfuegh, age 15.
69, my old high school jersey, representing.
She's far, lookers left, snowboarders right. Making her way down the course here.
Yeah. Yeah, I thought so. We just got confirmation. She usually is on skis, but this multi-talented athlete, Ava, is shredding on a snowboard, and she's looking okay for how chundery it is up there. She's linking them up okay.
Yeah, showing a multifaceted athlete charging down the hill.
15 years old.
#1 skier on a snowboard today.
Kind of going way far lookers left. It's a little chundery over there. She's going to kind of want to traverse over to where it's a lot softer.
Definitely looking a lot better than I would on a snowboard today.
She looks about as good as I did this morning. Yeah, lady.
Making her look good.
Yes, confident, lining up over the rock. What's this lady going to bring? Just sticking it. Soft turns, having fun.
Solid run for Ava.
Even knows how to throw down. On skis.
Seated front. 3, 2, 1, push.
Jumping next to our top skier snowboarding today. Team riding for the squad, Big Mountain, bib number 69. Jake Shoot.
My favorite bib number, 69. My high school number.
Carving it up down Jake Shoot.
Yeah.
Usually on skis, flying big.
Yeah, Ava, an accomplished skier, showing that she's a multi-talented, multifaceted athlete.
Definitely do better than I would up there on a snowboard. Carving it up.
Yesterday I was on a snowboard, today I'm on skis, so I can appreciate what it takes to keep switching. Yeah, Sandman kind of goes out from behind our view here, but no doubt she is definitely trying and bringing it. Ooh, lining up for a good technical line. Coming through Little Yosemite Shoot. Yeah, Thompson having fun.
Yeah, showing some good energy. Making her way down to the finish.
Yeah, showing good control, having fun on her run. Favorite holiday is Christmas. Favorite Disney character, Shakespeare. Give it up for this wonderful lady, Ava Cienfuegh.
Booyah, booyah, booyah.
Yeah.
Coming out of Squaw Big Mountain and Squaw Big Mountain again, Ava Cienfuegh. Most of you know she normally skis. Adios skis, right, Ava? All right, give it up for me.